Welcome to another video by Kalada Academy. In this video, we shall understand how can you create a long form content or let's say an article with the help of this tool called Jarvis.ai. Now Jarvis.ai is a tool that's into content AI and content creation. Now with the help of this tool, you can technically create any form of a content, be it an email, be it a blog, be it a social media content and whatnot. There is a variety of technology involvement that have happened with this tool, and it works quite well. You have to log in if you want to use this tool. Definitely before that you have to sign up, and maybe many of the people may not want to subscribe, but like you have to subscribe, otherwise you cannot use Jarvis for a long form content. The limitations are pretty high if you don't subscribe with Jarvis, but definitely subscription with this tool, if you know how to use this, is worth it. If you are a content writer and you have quite a good knack on content, or if you are not a content writer and you just understand content a little bit, both ways you can use it. Now you can see we have a boss mode plan. Now with that you can use it to a greater extent as well. Now once you log in, this is what you get to see as a dashboard. Now click on documents, and here you can check blog post workflow or scratch start from scratch. Click on start from scratch because we are going to create a content. So here you can see it is a white panel. This panel doesn't show you a lot of options, but technically this is quite a powerful tool. So title, we will just give it a title over here like how to become a digital marketer. Then we'll just write a description. Well, it's a small description. You can go till 600 letters. I can also write that. Now tone of your voice, you can just select from what kind of tone: witty, serious, let's say formal. Different keywords, let's say I want to use digital marketing. Then how to become, then how to grow online. These are the keywords I am going to use, or let's say I'll keep it better: how to become a digital marketer. So now after all of these options that you have filled up, now output length, let's say longer. Now we shall try to compose this, and once we try to compose this, we'll have a look what kind of a content is coming up. So see, this has started writing the content. It is completely on AI. I am not writing this right now. I have just written this version or this portion of content. Yeah, definitely after the content is published, you have to break it down as per your wish, as per your choice. There can be some punctuation errors like these. If you have a Grammarly extension with you, or let's say a language tool extension with you, then definitely this is going to give a check for the same thing. Now let's say this portion of content is done, right? You can already see it has given you quite a long form content of 132 words. Now let's say this is one layer. Now after that you want to include another layer of why to become a digital marketer. I'll keep the description same. I'll keep the tone, and these will be the same keywords. I'll keep it too long and I'll compose it again. Now when it comes to composition of a content and you do it for, let's say, the free version, you may not get such amazing results, but with the paid version your results will be very appealing. You can see it has already written around, going to write 300 plus words right now. Well, it's around 262. Now we shall just give it a read right now. Promoting businesses online happens in many ways. Digital marketing uses a variety of methods to promote businesses. Digital marketing is also an important thing for any company. Now all of these are written. I'll just try to check if the keywords are there. So digital marketing keywords, it's quite apt, it's working. Now the other one is how to grow online. We shall try to check it once. Online. So yeah, so that is there, help you grow online, although the specific keyword I can't see. So you have to give it a quick proofread, and then you can quickly include some of the different kind of let's say wording that you want to have it here. So it may not be right now 100% satisfactory result, but yeah, it cuts down on your work to an extent. Again, like, it depends on the person who is using it. If in case you are using AI for content creation, you may feel there is a less human touch in the content. So in that case, you better prefer a writer, a content writer, because a content writer is different if he is or she is writing about some certain things, and they are sharing their experiences, life experiences, and they are actually very much blending it with feelings. That kind of a content you may not get from here. These are very good for info based contents that you can churn out from the web and further create a plagiarism free content. Let's try it once more. So let's say why digital marketing freelancers are better. I'll include another keyword as in freelancer. Okay, so 3 I can include, that's done. Now I'll just compose it. Now once I compose, you can see it over here that has started writing further. So from anywhere you want to compose it, you can just keep your cursor there, and from there on it will start writing the content. So it's already now 300, around, it's going to be 400 to 500 words of a content right here. So yeah, 382. So every one shot it's producing somewhere around 150. Now there is again something called power mode. Now power mode lets you do a little more about topics, then audience, what kind of audience you are actually catching up with. Now further you can generate AI content. So let's try it once. So and voice will be, so you can write it rather selecting options over here. So here you can see now it has generated some content, right? So here you can check these. So it is asking you some questions like what's the best way to find new clients. So you can select any of them. So these are polls that have been created. Now poll choices. Now let's say you do not want it to be poll, so there are 3-4 polls. So as I told you, different contents you can create. Let's say business or product related contents or anything. Let's say YouTube video contents. It's such a beautiful way of content creation. Let's say you want to have a text summarizer. So you can include the text, it will summarize the text. See, text is there and it will summarize the text. So this is how you can use. Again, AI content is mostly about info based content, and if you want to share some humanly experiences and you want to make it absolutely like in your style, like when I specifically write blogs, I try to make it on my style. So when it comes to AI content, you may not get it, so you have to proofread it to a greater extent. But yeah, for those people who are doing it for business and who just want quick content to be created, for them it can be very powerful, given that they have 1 or 3 content writers and then they are also aware of content. Then they can give it a polish further and the content that comes out can be very potential. Thank you.